Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can clear your browsing history on Google Chrome. Very easy, very simple. This is very important guys, considering that if you recently searched something that you're not gonna search anytime soon, you want to prevent getting Google recommending you stuff that are not relevant to you. For example, if you were on vacation in Vegas and you search the best food, hotels, places to visit, now you come back to your own place and you keep getting ads about Vegas. So first thing you want to do guys, you want to launch the actual Google Chrome, and then you want to click on the lower right corner. You want to click on the three dots, and there is a pop-up menu, and you can essentially push it a little bit up and click on clear browsing data. Now you will have all these functions over here. You want to click on browsing data, and in this example over here you're going to click on the last option underneath where you see clear browsing data on the lower center of the screen. When you click this one, you essentially clear everything that you ever search for. Okay, this is very important because this will not delete your passwords. Okay, this is only gonna delete your search queries and what you browsed previously. For more tips like this guys, subscribe and like this video.